We have a new yumetwins box to open. Max, where are you? So this came today. This is the March box. And I don't remember what the theme of this box is, but we did order it. Come on then, open it.
Yeah!
What do we got inside? Oh, that's a Dumbo.
Dumbo?
Oh, there's that, a big one.
Wait,
show the camera.
That looks like a nom-nom.
What's that?
Looks like a nom-nom plushie.
It's a plushie. Oh, what's this? And is this a set of cups?
What? Please don't tell me.
Oh, 3 cups and 3 straws with little tiny Splatoon 2 on.
Yep.
What's this? Oh, a little teddy bear. Mace.
Keychain.
What's this? Little aliens I have been chosen marker. And what's this?
I don't know.
It looks like a keychain. A keychain. Oh, and there's some stickers in here. Or some window decals.
Window decal.
Okay, show me the big pink thing. Do you want to get it out and see what it is?
It looks like it's a big fluffy omnom.
An omno?
Yeah. You know that thing where you have where it's actually it's lip balm of
Is it just a teddy bear?
Yep. Just a little teddy bear.
Just a little teddy bear. Go on, show the camera. It's a little fluffy teddy bear. It's got a pearl earring or something. Has it got no zip pockets or anything?
No?
Let me have a look.
Just a little teddy bear. I think that's an earring right there.
Yeah, some sort of piercing. And what's this one? Open this one up.
This can be mine.
I'm giving the other one to Mummy, the scary one.
No, that's not scary.
I don't know. Hearts in the eyes look scary to me. I don't know what anyone else thinks. I think it looks scary.
This is a zip bag.
Is it a purse?
Oh look, it's a little teddy bear smelling of a little teddy bear heart.
Heart friends.
Heart friends.
Okay, cool.
It looks like
So,
you could get 2
It's
types.
this, yumetwins, and there we go, yumetwins. Cool. Thanks for watching. We've unboxed it. Not a bad one this month. That's actually really cute stuff, but it is the cutest box I've ever opened. It makes like Loot Crate look like, you know, a horror film.
The Splatoon 2 thing. There's a lot.
Splatoon 2 cups, 3 of them. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, there's 3 of them and 3 straws.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it can be for 3 people.
I still think that face is scary. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.